Alright, thanks so much for following along on the Tunisian Crochet Along, the Wild One themed Tunisian Crochet Along. Today I am showing you finally how to finish off your square. So we're gonna do a even single crochet around, and then you can join using single crochet join, or you can just whip stitch around, but I'm gonna do a single crochet border around. So I'm gonna slip knot into the corner here and chain one, and then we're gonna go in, do single crochet, chain one, single crochet again into the corner, and then I'm gonna single crochet around. Make sure you keep your tension a little loose, and we're gonna do this with the right side facing us. And today I'm using a 6.5 mm Furls crochet hook. This is a Laurel Streamline wood hook. I'm going to link it below, but you can use any 6.5 mm hook. I want to keep it a little bit bigger than the size we used so that our stitches are nice and loose for the border. So I'm just doing single crochet around evenly. Okay, and then remember, when we get to the corners, we want to do single crochet, chain one, single crochet into the corners. So we're at the corner here, so single crochet, chain one, single crochet into the corner. And then again, we're going to do single crochet evenly around. So single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet all the way around. Using the thicket as the border color, you could choose any, but I prefer the thicket color. So just going around. I'm just gonna go around and do single crochet join. I'll meet you back once I have done that all the way around, and I'll show you how I'm gonna join. Alright, so I am gonna show you now how to join, or how I'm going to join. I'm gonna use a single crochet join. You could easily also whip stitch around using, strand of yarn and just holding these together. I'm going to do a single crochet join. So I've added the border on both of these, so you'll see the even single crochet border on each of these. I'm going to have my squares facing out with the right sides facing out, and then I'm going to use a white just to show you how I'm going to join these. So I'm going to hold them together with the right sides facing out, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to find the corner stitch here, which is right here and right here. These are the corner stitches. I'm going to go in, pull my white yarn through. Alright, so I have my white yarn that I'm going to slip stitch here, and then I am going to go through, I'm going to go under both of these, pull up a loop, and then just single crochet. I'm going to single crochet evenly, lining up these two V's all the way down. And then when I get to the corner, I'm going to do the same thing I was doing with my corner stitches when I was doing the border, which is single crochet, chain one, single crochet into the corner stitches. And there we go. Make sure you're holding these together so they're lined up, right? Single crochet, join, super simple, and I love how it looks. Adds a nice, neat look. Okay, I'm gonna add single crochet around these. And we're getting close to the corner here, so I'm going to show you. I am going to do, so find the corner stitch again, which is right here. Find the corner stitch on this square, which is right here. Go through both. Oops, I'm going to go through both. Do single crochet pretty much. So this is how the side is going to look when it's completed. It looks really nice and neat. I love how it looks. So that's the single crochet join. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know which border you choose, or how you're going to be joining them, and which square was your favorite. Make sure you enter, make sure you share your progress and your finished squares. Thank you.